Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error 0x800700AA. The requested resource is in use on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering the error 0x800700AA on your Windows 11 system, which indicates that the requested resource is currently in use, there are a few effective solutions you can try. The first and often simplest fix is to physically disconnect and then reconnect the device that is causing the issue. This can reset the connection and resolve temporary resource conflicts. If the problem persists, running a system file checker scan can help. To do this, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the Administrator Command Prompt window is open, type the command /scannow and press Enter. This process will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair them. As a final troubleshooting step, you can perform a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to the Services tab. Here, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. If any other services are checked, click on Disable All. Then, click Apply, OK, and restart your computer. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, which can help you identify if a background service is causing the conflict. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.